Section A, question number 12. If the volume of two cubes are in the ratio 8:125, then the ratio of their surface area is basic expression for volume of cube is equal to A cube. Basic expression for curved surface area of cube is equal to 4A square. That A1 and A2 are the sides of two cubes respectively. Therefore, ratio of their volume is A1 cube by A2 cube, that is equal to 8 by 125. 8 by 25 നമുക്ക് 2 cube by 5 cube എന്ന് എഴുതാം. Therefore, removing the cube, we get A1 by A2 is equal to 2 by 5. നമുക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത് റേഷ്യോ ഓഫ് the curved surface area, that is equal to 4 into A1 square divided by 4 into A2 square, that is equal to 4 and 4 cut A1 by A2 whole square, that is equal to 2 by 5 square, that is 4 by 25. Therefore, ratio is A1 is to A2 is 4 is to 25. ആണ് നമ്മുടെ ആൻസർ. ചോയ്സ് ബി.